I bet you don't know what that is. Well, of course you do. It's a new Zippo. So today, collection update, and so let's check this out. That's right. The 1937 replica. I got engraved with my initials because this is my very first Zippo I bought. So, yeah. Let's check it out. Still has a sticker on it. I'm going to take that off for you. The bottom has got the original 1937 stamp, the verse stamp. It's been H of 2011 though. I really want an original, but those cost a lot. So H of 2011. Let's take the sticker off. There we go. Put it in the box. Of course that happens to me. The sticker rips and gets all over me. So very nice. Sparks great. Let's see when. Come on, you bugger. There we go. So the Zippo insert was made of I of 2011. So yeah, let's put that back in there. Great Zippo. And oh yeah, the number if you want, it's called Zippo 230 Vintage Brush Chrome. That's what I got. It cost me $24, and with the engraving, it cost me $35. So the number is 013735. If anybody's looking for that. So there it is. 1935 replica. Definitely my favorite so far. Now, for you that don't know what the replicas are like, I'll get my other Zippo. The difference. Sorry, I'm using my iPad, so. The 1937 replica is more squared off than the ones now. This is a 1998. This is a 1937. So this is what this is a fake Zippo, but you can tell. Look at the chimney. It's sort of the same shape. It's more squared off than the newer Zippos. So yeah. Anyway, back to this one. Great Zippo. BMM stands for my name, Brandon M, and the last name is Morrison. I won't tell you my middle name because that's a little too much about me. So, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Shout out to Cutlery Lover and Speed Dog 138. Got some great videos out there. You should go check them out. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is brush chrome. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and rate.